A book is a bound collection of written, printed, or blank sheets made of paper, parchment, or other materials, usually fastened together along one edge within a cover. Books are typically used to convey information, knowledge, or entertainment to readers. They can be fiction or non-fiction and can cover a wide range of topics, including history, science, philosophy, biography, and many others. Books have been a crucial part of human civilization for centuries, and they continue to be an essential medium for the transmission of ideas and culture. The origin of books can be traced back to ancient civilizations such as Egypt, Mesopotamia, and China, where clay tablets, papyrus scrolls, and silk manuscripts were used to record information and stories. The earliest known book is believed to be the Egyptian Book of the Dead, a collection of spells and incantations written on papyrus and buried with the dead to assist them in the afterlife. There are many advantages to reading, both for personal development and for general well-being. Here are some of the key benefits. 1. Improves cognitive function. Reading can enhance cognitive function, such as improving concentration, memory retention, and critical thinking skills. 2. Increases knowledge and awareness. Reading provides access to a wide range of information and perspectives, exposing readers to different ideas, cultures, and ways of thinking. 3. Reduces stress. Reading can be a relaxing and calming activity that helps reduce stress levels and promotes relaxation.
4. Enhances empathy and emotional intelligence. Reading fiction, in particular, can increase empathy and emotional intelligence by helping readers understand the perspectives and experiences of others. 5. Stimulates creativity. Reading can inspire creativity by exposing readers to new ideas, concepts, and ways of thinking. 6. Improves vocabulary and language skills. Reading can help improve vocabulary, grammar, and overall language skills. Overall, reading is a valuable activity that can have a positive impact on many aspects of life, including personal growth, academic success, and mental and emotional well-being. Right now what I am doing is, I am pointing out the important and valuable quotes for my audience, those who are following me in Instagram. I hope this effort will pay off some of my followers. Dear everyone, if you have found my content useful or enjoyable, I would like to kindly request that you consider subscribing to my channel or following my social media accounts. By subscribing or following, you'll be the first to know when I post new content, and it would also show your support for me and my work.